Gecko helps equipment rental businesses book more customers and take payments from your website with a rental e-commerce booking system. We help our customers make 20% more revenue by driving more bookings and save over $20,000 per employee per year. So for every 500K in bookings you do currently, that's another 100K in your pocket. Could you use another 100K a year? I sure could. But before I share about how we do this, let's talk about why people typically buy from us.
In the past, before Gecko, I did it all manually, really.
It was a tedious process.
Having to have a lot of back and forth for each booking was
The time it took.
not the best use of time. People would reach out via a quote form,
Email me,
go through and make recommendations, and
me get back to the clients with a price,
then I would come back to them with the availability.
package things up, and proceed with the booking and get all the information.
So there was no online checkout or anything of the sorts.
There are typically 5 reasons why rental businesses just like you typically buy from us. You or your team are spending 10 to 20 hours per week on customer interactions that could be automated. You have bloated sales and support teams who are spending a lot of their time sending out quotes. You're missing calls and bookings because your competitor was quicker. You value customer support and want to allow customers to book 24/7. You want to streamline your operations from your rental business website to your inventory. What impact will it have on your business if you have an additional 20% of revenue and saving over $20,000 per employee each year? Maybe that's all it takes to win the market in your city, or you'd like to expand to another location.
A few impacts on the business: more exposure, more clientele.
I've definitely seen an increase in sales.
The client knew what they wanted, they knew the price, they knew the availability of it, and they could go ahead and book that on the spot.
It reduces the back and forth for me a lot.
That makes the flow a lot easier.
Made it easier for clients to actually follow through with the booking.
Trusted by over 50 rental businesses globally, we serve industries like event, AV, waste, equipment rentals, and more, with revenues ranging between $50,000 and $10 million per year. I'm Ben, and this is Cody and Jaden, and we've been working out of rental businesses' offices for the past 3 years to build the best rental e-commerce booking system in the world. We know how tough it can be to maintain and grow your rental business's revenue without it taking up hours of you and your team's time. We have a product that we know works and have proven it over and over again with each customer that uses us. By using Gecko, you'll be able to increase the number of bookings, generate more revenue, have more recurring customers, streamline your operations to avoid missed bookings, and get hours of your week back to focus on the most important parts of your business. Here are the 3 steps to getting started on Gecko. Step 1. You book a demo with us and we give you our phone numbers who you can call and text anytime. Step 2. We onboard your inventory to Gecko. Step 3, we integrate with your website, test everything, and go live. This process can take as little as 2 days with most of the work done by our team. Now that you know that there's a different way, are you going to stay as you are? Do you really want to not get back to your customers fast enough and lose sales? Have your revenue not reach its full potential? Waste time sending invoices to tire kickers and be prevented from growing all areas of your business? Think about the true cost of not having a team that's mission is to save you time and make you more revenue. It's a lot more than you think. You know now that Gecko helps equipment rental businesses like yours make 20% more revenue by driving more bookings and save over $20,000 per employee per year.
Gecko has listened to my wants, needs, and suggestions.
Personal experience where you guys will bend over backwards
The customer service has just been absolutely next level.
is terrific.
It's been fantastic.
The next step is simple. Click the button below for a free demo. There's no obligation to work with us. At the very least, you'll see what has worked for other rental businesses and some actionable insights that you can implement right away. Click that button below, and we look forward to hearing more about your rental business.